afternoon, Grummy. Whew. Today is Sunday, June the 7th, and it is smoking out here. Whew. I know it's got to be over 90. Humidity, 80-85%. It is not comfortable. Thank God I got a little bit of a breeze. Whew. I think I IPM'd with Crop Defender 3 Friday night. Full strength, 40 mils per gallon. In my honest opinion, I think it's tits on a hog. I killed a big green caterpillar in here this morning. I'm going to my hardware store. It's not open on Sundays. Tomorrow and get me some BT. I'm gonna pitch goddamn Crop Defender 3 in the trash can. It did knock back the powdery mildew some. But that's the least of my worries. Dr. Zymes takes care of that powdery mildew. I use the Crop Defender 3 because it's supposed to be good for bugs. I'm gonna take some squash. So I might as well take them now. Hold on, let me get you on a stand here so I can whack some of these babies. I picked up, I'll just show you. I'm gonna get that one. And there's so many in here. I'm gonna get them two down there. I picked up, definitely gonna get that big boy. And that big boy. Picked up some damn zucchini at the food bank Wednesday. So I'm going to chunk all them up and throw in some taters and onions and some smoked sausage. Throw them in a casserole dish and chunk them in the oven. That's going to be my supper tonight. Got some little maters coming on. Come on, maters. They don't like that soil I got out in the woods ain't too damn, ain't as good as my Fox Farms, but they're coming on. I think they'll make it. A little small right now. Fucking. I found a damn earwig up in my blueberry bush. That sumbitch was all the way up here at the top. Damn earwig. Like I said, Crop Defender 3 ain't turning me on. And I forget what these damn bugs are called. I have to look them up again. But you see there, he ain't there no more. But you see that white powder. It's a white powdery bug. I forget the damn name of it too. And I've already killed a couple of leafhoppers. One of the bigger ones. Kind of looked like a predator bug, but it's just another leafhopper. Whew. It is smoking out here. Yep. So I do not recommend Crop Defender 3, kids. And that's all I'm going to say about it. It might work for you in your area. But the war has just begun here. It's going to get a lot worse. And if it can't handle that little bit of shit, I won't be using it. These are all doing all right over here. Bunch of little ones coming on. I don't know if that one's going to fatten up or just be mutated or what. We'll see. Can't wait till my Alaska flower gets in. I'll throw my normal ratio I use with Dr. Earth on them. They ought to take on off then. Whew. Yeah, I was reading up on these things. I had one article tell me to top them at like 18 inches. And then I read you waiting until 3 or 4 weeks before the first frost. So that's going to be, that's supposed to be like November the 5th here. So October the 5th or so is when I'm going to top them Brussels sprouts. Old dragon's fucking coming on. I'm going to let her shoot on up. She's a frosty little critter. We'll jump in and take a look here in just a second. Let me knock all these squash off and put you on a stand here for a second. I'll be back. Okay, dokie. Not a bad little pluck from my first pluck. Good God, I'm gonna die out here. I'm so sweet, I'm gonna melt, Grummies. Fatbuds' sweet little ass is going to melt. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it shoot on up. I don't think she's gonna go back in the bed. I certainly hope not. She's frosting on up. I took a few fan leaves off. I get these inside facing ones. I took a few fan leaves off, and my fingers got sticky. That's a good sign. All right, Grummies. I hope you have a fantastic Sunday. I'm going to get out of here before I have a heat stroke. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.